In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Slack cache. If Slack feels slow, looks out of date, or isn't loading images properly, clearing your browser's cache can help. The cache is a temporary storage area your browser uses to save images and files from websites so they load faster next time. Over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted, and that's when you might see glitches. Clearing the cache removes those old files so Slack can download fresh ones. To begin, open your web browser and go to slack.com. Being on the Slack site isn't strictly required for this process, but it helps you focus on the task and makes it easy to see the difference once you're done. Now open your browser's main menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the window. This menu is where you'll find most browser settings and tools. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage how your browser stores data, including what it keeps from websites you visit. Inside Settings, look for the section called Privacy and Security. This is where browsers group controls that affect your data, including cookies, site permissions, and browsing history. Within Privacy and Security, find the option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Depending on your browser, it might also be called Clear Browsing Data. You're in the right place when you see options that let you choose what types of saved information to remove. In the list of data types, select Cached Images and Files. This specifically targets the stored copies of images, styles, and other static files Slack uses to load quickly. Leave other options like cookies or passwords unchecked if you only want to refresh Slack's visual assets. Your messages, channels, and workspaces are not stored in the cache and won't be affected. When you're ready, click Delete Data. The process usually takes just a few seconds. If you have a lot of cached content, it might take a bit longer, and that's normal. Once it completes, the old files are gone, and your browser will fetch new ones the next time Slack needs them. Afterward, return to your Slack tab. The first load may be slightly slower as fresh files are downloaded, which is expected. This reset often resolves display issues, missing icons, or odd behavior that built up over time. That's it. You've cleared your Slack cache through your browser, giving Slack a clean slate to work from. If you found this helpful, you can repeat these steps anytime Slack looks off or feels sluggish. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.